Struggling to get AI prompts right. I'm Pietru, and this is Figuring Out AI. And if I can figure it out, so can you. In just 10 minutes, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to plan a birthday party, create easy recipes, or make a social media post. No tech skills needed. The simple, clear method will make prompting a breeze. So let's dive in. So what is a prompt? It's just the instructions you type into ChatGPT to get it to help you. That's it. Think of it like asking a friend for party ideas. You need to be clear to get useful answers. For example, type, "Give me ideas." Well, that might get you a long, messy list. But typing, "Give me 5 cheap birthday party ideas," that gets you results you can actually use. Clear prompts save you time, reduces confusion, and makes ChatGPT work for you. For busy professionals, retirees, or grandparents, clear prompts mean less stress and more confidence. No more worrying about AI being too complicated or giving you useless answers. The clear CLEAR method makes prompting ChatGPT easy, and I'll show you how. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just follow these steps and you'll love how simple it is. The clear method makes prompting ChatGPT as easy as chatting with a friend. Here is what CLEAR stands for. C. Context. Tell ChatGPT who you are or what you are doing. L. Limit. Set rules like tone or things to avoid. E. Explain. Say what you want in plain words. A. Ask. Make a clear request or question. R. Refine. Tweak your prompt if the result isn't quite right. No coding, no jargon, just simple steps anyone can follow. So let's try it with 3 real-life examples you can do with ChatGPT today. Example 1. Brainstorming a birthday party. Imagine you're a grandparent planning a birthday party for your grandchild. Here's how to use CLEAR with ChatGPT to get fun ideas. So let's look at the prompt. I am a grandparent planning a birthday party for 10 kids in my backyard. I need fun, low-cost activity ideas for kids aged 5 to 10. Give me 5 ideas in a simple list, avoiding tech-heavy or expensive activities and video games. So let's apply the CLEAR method. C. Context. Grandparents, birthday party for 10 kids, and backyard. L for limit. Low cost, kids age 5 to 10, no tech or video games. E for explain. Need fun activity ideas. A for ask. Give 5 ideas in a list. And R, refine. If it's too pricey, add keep cost under 50 Rand or dollars or whatever your current currency is. Example 2. Creating a quick dinner recipe. Now let's say you're a busy retiree needing a quick dinner. Here's the prompt. I am a busy retiree cooking for 2 with chicken, carrots, and broccoli. I want a healthy, simple dinner recipe ready in 30 minutes. No spicy ingredients. Give me a step-by-step recipe. Now let's apply the CLEAR method. Context. Retiree cooking for 2 using chicken, carrots, and broccoli. Limit. Healthy, simple, 30 minutes, and no spicy stuff. Explain. Want a dinner recipe. Ask. Step-by-step recipe. And then refine. If it's complex, add use basic cooking like baking. Example 3. Creating a social media post. Finally, let's say you run a bakery and want a social media post for Facebook. ChatGPT can help you create the perfect prompt for the perfect image. Let's look at the prompt. I'm a small business owner promoting my bakery on social media. I need an image Description for a cozy bakery display with cakes and cookies in a warm, inviting style, not modern or futuristic, and bright. Provide a description for an AI art tool to create a Facebook post image. So context is small business owner promoting bakery on social media. The limit, warm, inviting, and not modern, bright. Explain, need an image of a bakery display with cakes and cookies. Ask, provide a description for an AI art tool. And refine, if vague, add, include wooden shelves, pastel colors. Now click on the Create Image button under the Tools menu and paste this prompt into the prompt area and sit back and watch ChatGPT create your image for you. If you don't like the image, refine the prompt and try again. See how easy that was? The clear method makes ChatGPT give you exactly what you need. Here's how to start right now after watching this video. Try one prompt. Start with something simple like a recipe. Mistakes are okay. If ChatGPT's answer isn't perfect, just refine your prompt. You can't break it. And use plain words, no techie terms needed. And stay safe. Use ChatGPT at chat.openai.com and don't share personal info like your address or your financial details. So this tackles your worries about AI being too hard or risky. With Clear, you are in control, making life easier, whether planning cooking or sharing on social media. And that's it for today. Now you know how to prompt ChatGPT with a clear method. So, drop a comment below. Which example will you try first? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on our next AI tips to simplify your life. And remember, if I can figure it out, so can you. See you next time.